Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. We're doing a quick little test run here we want to show you. It's a little rudimentary actually. This is a homogenizing mixer by Greerco. It's their 1.5 model. Well, I think it's their 1.5 model. Yes, it most certainly is. We've just installed a brand new 3 horsepower drive motor on it, which is what it calls for. And we're wet testing here. You always want to do that. We've completely rebuilt the unit. It has all new bearings right down to the bottom lower bearing, which we like to replace with a Rulon 645, which is the FDA version of Teflon. And it's considerably harder than the initial Teflon. Lasts long, makes it smooth and quiet. Well, the coupling is open right now. There's normally a guard over that. And of course, right below that, this little housing you see right there, that contains 3 bearings and a seal, which are also all replaced. But as you can see, it's running really smooth, quiet, and that's what we look for in these. And you've got a great flow inside this tank. It's about a 75-gallon tank we're just using to test. We have lots of homogenizing mixers like this in our stock, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.